Sit down, man.
All right.
What's the fucking deal?
I don't know what to do.
What do you mean?
About the kid. We could be in a lot of trouble, man.
That's what I told you. Didn't I say that?
You did. Fuck. But still, we are where we are, right? We're right here. It's a big problem and we gotta deal with it, so.
So what do we do now?
I don't know. I mean, there's an answer here. There's like a solution. I just don't know if I see it. Maybe we're fucked.
We're not fucked. What do you mean fucked?
Jail fucked. If we let the kid go, he's gonna run home to mommy and daddy and rat all of us out.
Maybe he won't.
Not to mention to Tui. Like, who knows what that crazy motherfucker's capable of? We've all gotta be looking over our shoulders here, man.
I don't think the kid will spill. I really don't.
Yeah, what if he does? What if he does?
Well, fuck that shit.
So you see what I'm saying?
I'm not going to prison. Look, I just won't.
Yeah, me neither. Like, what the fuck are we talking about right now?
I'm not fucking kidding, John. This is really fucking bad.
Look, the best thing we could do is get a hold of Tatui. If we straighten him and I'll hit that shit out once and for all.
Well, where's that motherfucker?
I don't fucking know. I mean, he's probably laying low looking to shoot me in the fucking head.
Oh, stop it already, alright? You know how I get with this anxiety shit.
Frankie.
Get your cigarette.
Frankie.
What? I swear to God, man, I'm hyperventilating.
I want to ask you something. Hypothetically, okay? This isn't real. We're just talking here. But what if I was to offer you, like, $2,500 just to kill the kid?
Kill him?
Yeah, fucking wax him.
Are you fucking insane? I'm not gonna kill the kid. That's a fucking joke, right?
Of course it's a fucking joke. You're so fucking stupid.
You're an asshole, man.
Look, I'm just playing.
Well, stop fucking around. Look, can't we just grease the kid? Tell him he can hang with us anytime? That he's our boy? Throw a fucking arm around him or something?
Give him a few bucks.
Right. And to tell him when mommy and daddy ask, to say that he ran away with some girl or something.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
I mean, look. We'd have to get the story straight, but we can make it work. I know we could. We just grease the kid.
Yeah.
And that way, it's taken care of.
Yeah.
And then we're not running around here like a bunch of fucking Chinamen.
Done. So that's what I like about you, man. You're fucking smarter than me.
Whatever makes you happy. Whatever you want. You're so fucking special. I wish I was special, but I'm a